tale of twins at Kodini, Kerala. The extraordinary factor about this otherwise ordinary village in Malappuram, Kerala, is the strikingly large number of twin births that it witnesses. Kodini, or the village of twins as it is now called, holds an eminent place amongst the mysterious places in India. Once you set foot in the village, you will start seeing doubles of almost everyone. Kodini is currently home to over 200 pairs of twins and 2 sets of triplets. And that's not all. Kodini's women who are married outside the village also end up having twins or triplets. Doctors believe that the reason for this strange phenomena lies in the chemicals of the water in this area. Facing trouble to get a visa? Don't worry. Visit the Balaji temple in Chilkur, Hyderabad, and Lord Balaji will grant you one. Be it the poor or the elite, every kind of person can be spotted here, bowing before the visa god and begging for a visa. But that's not the weird part. The fact is that they soon end up getting one. And this has landed the temple in our list of the most mysterious places in India. Bhangarh Fort, cursed by a wizard. A 300-kilometer drive from Delhi, Bhangarh Fort is known as one of the most haunted places in India. Many paranormal activities are said to occur here. It is alleged that people who stay at this place post-sunset are never to be found. When here, you will stumble upon a board of the Archaeological Survey of India stating that no one is allowed to stay in the fort before dawn and after dusk. Roopkund Lake is a glacial lake located at an elevation of 16,500 feet in the most God-forsaken place in the Himalayas. But its remote and dangerous location has got nothing to do with the gloom and the despair associated with this lake. It's what lies beneath it that scares the shit out of most people. Around 300 to 600 skeletons can be seen beneath the surface of the frozen Roopkund Lake every year when the ice melts at this mysterious place in India. Radiocarbon tests and forensics date the corpses back to 15th century AD. The enchanting hills of Ladakh have more than mere beauty to offer. The magnetic hill, located at an altitude of 11,000 feet above sea level, is one of the most unusual places to visit in India. Cars driving up the hill get pulled off their own accord. That is, one can drive up here with the ignition of their vehicles turned off. The deprived houses of Shani Shignapur, Maharashtra. Shani Shignapur, a small village located 35 kilometers away from Ahmednagar, is famous for its Shani temple. But that's not all that is famous about this village. None of the houses, schools, and even commercial buildings in the village have a door or even a door frame. In addition to this, not a single crime has ever been reported here. The villagers have huge faith in Lord Shani and believe that the near zero crime rate in the village is all his doings. Once inhabited by Paleyal Brahmins, the village is now nothing more than a barren land with empty houses, broken structures, and an old temple. About 2 centuries ago, over 1500 Paleyal Brahmins fled the village overnight. Since then, no one has been able to live here, and it is now one of the abandoned places in India. Those who try are chased away at night by paranormal activity. Tourists who visit Kuldhara encounter an uneasy feelings when they set foot inside the village. The floating stones of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu holds immense importance in the Hindu mythology, as it is the place where, according to Ramayana, Lord Rama's Vanar Sena built a bridge of floating stones all the way to Sri Lanka. But there is something else about the bridge that makes the place one of the most mysterious places in India. According to Ramayana, the bridge was built of stones that would stay afloat once the name of Lord Rama was scribbled on it. As it turns out, this wasn't just a story. The bridge was actually made of such stones, as they are still found around here and are a major tourist attraction in Rameshwaram. Levitating stone at Shivapur, Maharashtra. The Hazrat Qamar Ali Darwish Shrine is no unusual shrine. The shrine is listed among the mystery places in India and is known for this one special rock that weighs 70 kilograms and can only be lifted by one means. To lift the rock, 11 people are required to gather around it, touch it with their four fingers and loudly call out the name of the saint who placed a curse on it. Following which, the stone rises up in the air magically. The stone cannot be lifted by any other means, no matter how strong it is. It is believed that a Sufi saint called Qamar Ali placed a curse on this stone being used for bodybuilding about 800 years ago. Listed among the mysterious places of India, the Dumas beach in Surat, Gujarat has a lot of spooky tales associated with it. People strolling on the beach hear whispers and find no one when they look around for the source. There have even been reports of disappearances on the beach. The beach was previously a burial ground for Hindus and thus it is full of spirits of the dead. Maybe it's the theory that makes it one of the most mysterious and haunted places in India.
When I met you in the summer